Hi, my name is Tashi, and I like to try new things. This time, it was solo traveling through Japan. I've wandered my way through a lot of the country, and now I'm on a bus on the way to the Nachi waterfall. This waterfall, which is in very rural Japan. I could have ridden the bus all the way to the top, but there's this pilgrimage trail because it's actually a Shinto temple at the top. And I felt like that was fitting. I mean, I'm in good shape, you know. I don't think it should be that hard, but I like that I am putting in some physical effort. The sun literally just rose over this mountain right here. About to start this climb up to the Kumano Koda. This is Daimonzaka slope. Look at the sun. I'm the only one on this trail. The trees are soft. Ooh, that's about to be a set right there. Jacket's off. About to take this hoodie off. Oh good, a bench. I'm reminding myself that I'm not rushing. So let me calmly remove my jacket, get some water. I'm not running to the top of this mountain. Nobody's gonna beat my ass. That's simply not gonna happen. I'm gonna make a TikTok. Fuck it, I'm chilling. Stopped and took that break for 1 second, had some water, and now I'm A-okay. Maybe there's some science to taking care of yourself for a moment in order to do these hard things. I think I'm gonna stop on every bench. The sun warming me while I get further and further into this trail is just, it's doing it for me. I'm so glad I woke up early for this. All right, here we go. I want to show you all these statues, but anytime I'm in an indigenous place and it says no photos, I'm immediately like, I'm not getting cursed. I made it. I made it to the top. Nobody was coming to save me either way, so now I have to find the way back down that goes by the waterfall. This place is amazing. I'm this many tall. Oh. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. Yeah, glow. Wow, that's cool. That is who I came to see. Konnichiwa. I'm just walking. It says the waterfall's this way, I think. Or maybe I'm just taking a little nature trail. It's cute, whatever. I am not hot, I am just sweating it out. I need to do some sort of cleanse. And I feel like they got that here. And here I am. Anything. I took their picture and she gave me a piece of candy, and it's actually a really good piece of candy. I like it. Staring at the waterfall for long enough to cause an optical illusion, and then you just like look at anything and it just runs. I just love an optical caps. Now we're on my way back down. Miscounted, or I dropped some coin, or a coin. I don't really know how I'm gonna get back. Take the trail back down. It's alive now. Konnichiwa. 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 I like that it's not the little. I'd much rather. People are people everywhere. There's nowhere that you can go that people don't enjoy nature. And they like to practice their English with me. I like that. It's a very short conversation, just like, hi, welcome. But it's very cool, it's very cute. And of course, as a language learner myself, I love the opportunity to help someone with their English. As per the usual, found the ocean. Where's she at? I'm gonna get some fresh sashimi. This is lunch. It was $12 for all of this fresh, like right out of the oceans. She said it didn't need soy sauce, and I didn't believe her, but it don't need soy sauce. That's crazy. It's so good. So good. I've never actually eaten her tofu out of the miso. I don't even know if you're supposed to eat the tofu at the miso. Let's go ahead and... It's meatier than I thought, for sure. It's mush. But I'm not afraid of it anymore. Let me tell you who was not playing when they said fresh fish. I'll be back here every time I come to Japan. And this is nowhere. So, today was kind of like all that I had planned, and everything that I wanted to do got done. And now forever I will always be able to say I went to Japan, in a country where I can't speak and I can't read, and the cultures are different and everything is different, and I still came here by myself and did everything that I said that I was gonna do. Like I just did it. Keep that same energy. This tiny little fishing village became my favorite thing in all Japan. We're nowhere, and this is the best part. Got the little footpath, they got the sushi, they got the fresh sushi. They also have surfing. It's not surf season, I don't think, but they have a beach. That is a cool ass truck. Bring these things to America. So close. I did it. I don't like it. Let's see if it's just the yellow stuff. No. Cute though. Adorable. But disgusting. I'm not gonna eat that. It was night by the time I got back to Osaka, so I pretty much went to sleep. And now I really don't have any plans.